Hello, fellow traders. Today I'm talking about VIX. Um, Basically, I see this pattern. It's a weird pattern. I didn't notice it in VIX beforehand, but usually when VIX has 2, 3 days, 3 weeks reactions and then go back, right? But this thing is keep climbing up since the week of December, right? The 2nd December, and it keeps going up. Um, and we had a direction change. Uh, we will have a direction change this week, um, and it would make sense to go down, right? And since we we took the 1940, but now it bounces off of 2150, and if we're taking the low of this, then that's a confirmation. But I feel something is not quite right with it, right? We would have seen stochastic turn. The energy is quite, and I go in detail for the private subscribers exactly what the timing array is and all the stuff. But I think this is just gonna be just a reaction, and the trend might continue all the way to February. On a daily, we didn't even touch uh, the next reversal, which is 27, 28. So it's moving interestingly, and of course, it's in regards to other things. It's not. That's why it's very hard to trade this one because it's not following the normal patterns, which in Bitcoin proved very very careful. Even if we sold out yesterday, a lot of Bitcoin went back in, and I trust the system, so I didn't sell. But this looks to me it gets into this pattern, and it's gonna just be a reaction of 2 days, maybe into Friday, but then we have some news. I don't know. Maybe something is with the inauguration. It's just very suspicious to me. That's all. I believe it's gonna go down for a few days, but then be very careful of it. 28 is the next, um, reversal on the daily. So we'll see. We'll see. I still want to wait until gonna retract back to touch a bearish reversal, or at least a weekly bearish, if not a daily bearish. All right, stay tuned.